Hello, welcome to my channel Story English Plus. Shadowing is one of the most effective techniques for learning spoken English. It involves listening to native English audio and repeating what you hear in real time. This method trains your brain, ears, and mouth to work together. You improve pronunciation naturally. Graded readers are books written with simpler language for learners. They come in different levels, A1, A2, B1, B2, etc. Combining shadowing with graded readers is powerful. You listen to the audio version of a graded reader. You repeat each sentence immediately after hearing it. This helps you develop rhythm, tone, and fluency. It also builds your listening skills. Many learners struggle with speaking confidently. Shadowing removes fear and hesitation. You practice real English with real context. Your brain gets used to natural English patterns. Shadowing builds muscle memory for your mouth. You don't need a partner to practice. Just a book and its audio. Start with simple stories. For example, The Little Prince or Oxford Bookworms. Focus on short chapters. Listen to one sentence. Pause the audio. Repeat it out loud. Try to match tone and speed. Don't worry if you make mistakes. The goal is fluency, not perfection. Gradually, you will speak more smoothly. You'll also remember sentence patterns. Repetition is key. Shadow daily for 10 to 15 minutes. You will see results in weeks. Record your voice sometimes. Compare it to the original. Notice improvements. Read the text while listening. Then try without reading. This builds strong memory. Choose topics you enjoy. Stories are better than dry grammar. Enjoy the process. Turn shadowing into a fun habit. Set goals weekly. Track your progress. Use a notebook for notes. Write new vocabulary. Learn chunks, not single words. Speak in full sentences. Try storytelling with what you learned. Share your progress with others. Join an online English group. Motivate each other. Use YouTube or apps for graded readers. Don't skip difficult parts. Listen multiple times. Understanding increases over time. Your accent becomes clearer. You develop confidence. Even advanced learners benefit. Shadowing is not just for beginners. Use it to maintain fluency. It's like exercising your speaking muscles. Just like fitness, consistency matters. Don't overdo it in one day. Small steps daily are better. Use headphones for clear sound. Speak loudly and clearly. Don't mumble. Shadowing improves thinking in English. You stop translating in your head. It becomes automatic. Use expressions and idioms. Learn their sound and use. Mimic native speakers. Embrace their emotion and tone. Shadow dialogues too. Practice both roles in a conversation. Act like you're in the story. This helps with intonation. Try comedy or drama audio. Copy the feeling. Learning becomes exciting. You enjoy every session. Your vocabulary grows fast. You hear grammar naturally. Shadowing teaches structure without rules. It's real immersion. Your listening and speaking improve together. Teachers recommend it worldwide. It's used in language schools. Many polyglots use shadowing daily. It's proven to work. No expensive tools needed. Just time and effort. Start now. Pick a short story. Find the audio. Shadow today. Keep going for 30 days. You'll thank yourself later.